Hey, you guys, I want you great news. This is great news, guys. Everybody who got destroyed by the hurricane, everybody's gotten taken care of. Everybody is good. Our president, Joe Biden, he's good. He said everything's good. There's no need to worry anymore. Check this out.
What do the states in the storm zone need, Mr. President?
Okay?
What do the states in the storm zone, what do they need after what you saw today?
Oh, in the storm zone.
Yes, sir.
I'm wondering what storm they're talking about. They're getting everything they need. And they're very happy across the board.